So in my first practical we have to calculate the resistance of the resistor using color code. So you can see here this is your color blue, then you can say this is your gray, and third color is your yellow, and last color is your tolerance part. You can see here this is your gold. So using this combination you can calculate the resistance. First two is significant digit and third is your multiplier and last is your tolerance part. So you can see here blue is your 6 using my table, and after that gray is your 8, and your yellow portion is 4 multiplied 10 to the power 4 plus minus 5%. So approximate 680. So we just calculate using the multimeter directly. It may be come or not. So you can see here this is your multimeter and this part your resistance. You can see here this is your resistance part, which is your ohm. So using this I just see here, you can show here, you can see here in the breadboard, that will be very much applicable for you. Using the breadboard you can just see here your resistance. $673, you can see here 672 or 73 approximately is your 680. Okay, using the multimeter you can also calculate directly. Thank you. In my next practical, using the circuit diagram I have already discussed. So at first, for your safety purpose, bulb safety, I can use here this resistance. Here you can see here this is your, I can use this wire for your switch purpose. This is your battery. So you can see here this is your positive terminal. First is your positive and this is your negative terminal. I just added. You can see here this is your positive terminal. This is your switch and I use the positive terminal, and this is your negative terminal here. In the breadboard you can see here in horizontal, using the horizontal is same, and second line as per your choice. So I just use the closed circuit. Close this circuit and using the bulb. This is your positive, so I can use here positive, and this is your negative portion. You can see here your bulb is growing so that your current will be flow. This is your closed circuit. Suppose you break this circuit using the switch. So you can see here this bulb is not glowing so that the current is not flowing. So this is your second practical, and you can try also your home. Thank you. So one more time you can see here I use this portion as a switch. At first I complete this circuit. You can see here this is your battery positive terminal and this is your battery negative terminal. I use here positive and your negative. You can see here the bulb is glowing. For safety purpose I have used here resistance. Okay, thank you for your second practical.